The energy of tomorrow begins in silence.
Hidden minerals are brought to the surface. Transport begins without wheels.
Time becomes the first processor.
Flow is carefully measured.
Nature assists industry.
Concentration builds step by step. Unwanted elements fall away.
Purity is a process of removal.
Chemistry must be confirmed.
Decisions rely on numbers.
The raw phase nears its end. Liquid resources begin their journey. Liquid resources begin their journey. Some lithium comes from stone, not water. Different sources, same destination.
Consistency begins at the source.
Now, refinement will define value. Once contained, material is ready to move. Scale demands coordination. Resources leave isolation behind. Infrastructure carries value forward. Measurement precedes permission.
Compliance protects continuity.
Distance converts resource into supply. Refinement awaits arrival.
Every entry is controlled.
Automation verifies identity. The plant absorbs the flow. Design guides movement. Accuracy replaces speed.
Safety anchors process.
Transfer prepares to begin. Liquid resources change hands. Control maintains balance. Now, chemistry takes command. This is where chemistry becomes industry. Scale is engineered, not accidental.
Containment precedes control. Motion initiates refinement.
Reactions are carefully staged. Reactions are carefully staged. Impurities are challenged.
Chemistry reshapes matter. Unwanted elements separate.
Gravity resumes its role.
What doesn't belong is removed. Purity advances forward. Environment is now controlled. Fineness defines quality. Only lithium moves forward. Precision increases with every step.
Data mirrors reality.
Preparation is complete. Refinement now tightens its focus. Volume is prepared for separation. Heat replaces time. Water steps aside. Numbers guide movement. Separation is reintroduced. Lithium reveals itself.
Value takes physical form.
Uniformity is enforced. Solids must now stand alone. Speed replaces gravity. Mass finds its boundary. Nothing is wasted. Solids move ahead.
Cleanliness is incremental. Cleanliness is incremental.
Preparation continues. The next phase awaits. Refinement moves forward. Moisture is no longer tolerated. Heat become a tool. Uniform drying demands motion.
Stability defines quality. What is removed must leave cleanly.
Structure is now fixed. Heat gives way to control. Consistency is enforced. Nothing escapes specification. Target form achieved.
Verification never pauses.
Battery grade is defined here. Refinement can repeat. Control allows precision. Final purity approaches. Specification is achieved deliberately. Purity is extracted. Now, automation takes over. Material enters its final identity. Thermal control refines structure. Heat reshapes chemistry. Crystal order is enforced. Air itself is engineered. Transformation is complete. Stability must be preserved. Uniformity is protected. Invisible threats are removed.
Specification is absolute.
Efficiency closes the loop.
The product is ready.
Protection continues beyond chemistry.
Science confirms success.
Logic replaces judgment. Final preparation begins. Logic replaces judgment. Now precision takes the lead. Automation sharpens consistency. Every grain is observed. Machines correct themselves. Precision replaces intervention. Stability is engineered. Cleanliness runs in parallel.
Air is no longer accidental.
Verification never sleeps.
Seconds replace hours.
Experience. Experience becomes code. Only the best moves forward.
Failure. Failure is planned against.
Every step is remembered.
Readiness is constant.
Humans still watch.
Automation hands off perfection.
Now finishing defines value.
Precision now defines the outcome. Uniformity is finalized.
Margins are measured in grams.
Consistency is locked in. Flow reveals quality. Light measures precision. Dryness is decisive.
Redundancy protects purity.
Evenness is enforced. Nothing escapes specification. Waste is minimized.
The product is complete.
Protection never stops.
The finish meets logistics.
Balance ensures continuity. Environment protects value. Now proof replaces process. Proof begins with measurement. Bias is removed by design. Environment remains uncompromised.
Verification is systematic.
Purity is measured in parts per million. Impurities reveal themselves.
Size defines performance. Size defines performance. Water has no place here.
structure confirms stability.
Flow predicts behavior.
Consistency aligns every metric.
Accountability remains human.
Trust travels with data.
History is preserved.
Proof unlocks progress.
Only verified material moves forward. Now the product can leave. The product prepares to travel. Accuracy defines trust. Containment is permanent. Identity is attached. Protection increases with distance. Movement demands security. Order replaces randomness. Stability is enforced. Logistics confirm readiness. Finished product waits.
Human control returns.
Space preserves value.
Visibility sustains supply.
Acknowledged. Priority shipment to Bay 4.
Demand triggers movement.
Storage releases its hold.
Departure is prepared.
The journey continues.
Energy is now mobile.
And this is how modern factories produce battery-grade lithium from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.